what we want to try is right now we have the Mini 3 Pro controller. We want to turn on the goggles and just see if we actually can get an image from the Mini 3 Pro while it's in the air in the goggles. Is that possible? It is possible, guys. It is possible. It is possible. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. We turned on the goggles, and this is the message that comes up. This is the message that comes up in the controller. So, you know what? We can fly. We can fly with the original controller. You just have to get it in the air. Okay, now we're going to get the goggles on, see if we can fly around. We did spot an airplane in the air. Okay, so let's see, can we spot that airplane? Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is, guys. I want to keep an eye on those hawks. We're at 52. Where are those guys? We're going to drop altitude here. We're going to drop altitude. I don't see those guys. I do not see those guys, but they were up here in the sky. Look at all those rain clouds, guys. Well, this is kind of cool, you know. I'm sure if I can do this with the DJI RC, I'm sure that DJI is definitely going to put out another firmware. They're definitely going to put out another firmware. Okay, we want to get this recorded in the goggles. Let's get the camera. Camera settings, both. Okay. Okay, I don't see the record. Okay, now we put it in cine mode on the controller. We put it in cine mode on the controller. Yeah. See, you can see that we have it in cine mode, but in the goggles, it's only going to show me normal and sport mode. So let's fly this around. Okay, so put the camera up. And away we go. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, I'm sure DJI is going to make these other controllers compatible. We're getting a message on the goggles. Aircraft only supports DJI RC Motion 2, yet I am actually flying it with the DJI RC. Okay, it's in cine mode. I'm going to actually put it into sport mode. Okay, because it is a little bit windy here, and it just seemed like she was fighting a little bit. But yeah, we're wearing the goggles. We're wearing the goggles, and we're flying the Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Oh, where are you? Oh, there you are. I'll tell you, you know, it'll be nice when DJI does the firmware to make the regular controller compatible, and that you can wear the goggles. Because like I said before, you know, when it's really sunny out, it's very, very difficult to see the screen, you know. And especially if you're lining up shots or you're trying to get the proper color, you know, having the goggles, you don't have any blurry to, you can actually see whatever you're actually shooting up close and personal. This is really, really cool. Okay. All right, guys. This was cool. This was cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Wow. Wow.